Once again, I welcome you all. In the last session, that is valedictory session of the FDP organized on cybersecurity, sponsored by Atal AICT, we tried to incorporate a wide range of topics of cybersecurity by eminent speakers. I believe that we everyone would have got benefited and we will use tools, literature, ideas in future to disseminate this information among the students. Now, very important part of any organized events is its feedback. So now I call feedbacks from different participants. So for that, first I call Madam Devyani. Madam Devyani Bhamre. Sir Manish Dongre.
जी मैम. Hello.
So I want, please, you interested in feedback, so you can continue.
Yes ma'am.
Maniji, please introduce yourself from which college you are, those things, so that we know.
I am from Government Polytechnic Jaspur, Chhattisgarh. Our sessions are very nice, very informative sessions. I like Mr. Adarsh sir's lecture very much, and this is very informative, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you, Manish. Thank you, sir. Madam Chandana.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. This is Chandana Kumari, lecturer, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Al Kabir Polytechnic, Jamshedpur. First of all, I would like to congratulate the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Institute of Engineering and Technology, Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, Indore, for the wonderful faculty development program on the topic cybersecurity. I want to thank the sponsor of this program, AICTE Training and Learning Academy, as they always provide such wonderful program for the development of the faculty. I extend my sincere thanks to the organizing committee members of IET GAVV Indore. I am thankful to the director, Dr. Sanjeev Sokekar, the coordinator, Dr. Raksha Upadhyay, the co-coordinator, Mr. Tapesh Sisodia. Thank you once again to the entire team of IET GAVV Indore. I have attended this program and I gained a lot due to the eminent speakers who have delivered the topic so well. I know this will help me to center myself better as a faculty through many techniques. I know this will help me that I can incorporate practices into my daily life easily, and I will also able to incorporate mindfulness practices in my classroom. I'm sure that I will be able to control and reduce stress and uplift myself with positive thoughts. My sincere thanks to the honorable speakers, Dr. P.D. Vyavahare, Dr. Ambika Prasad Shah, Dr. Shahdev Upadhyay, Mr. Apurva Gaywab, Dr. Devesh Jinwala, Dr. Adarsh Kumar, Mr. Kirti Joshi, Dr. Gaurav Varshne, Dr. R.T. Dubey, Dr. Raksha Upadhyay, Dr. Anirban Sengupta, and Mr. S.S. Tomar. Thank you to my colleagues present here. I am sure each and everyone have enjoyed and learned so many things through the program. Last but not the least, I apologize if I misspelled anyone's name. Need your blessings, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for remembering our entire team and all the speakers. Thank you so much, ma'am. May I call Madam Reenu Saini? Madam Reenu Saini? Iyengar sir, are you interested in giving the feedback of this FDP? Your mic is off, sir. Please on your mic. Please switch on your mic, sir.
Madam,
Yeah.
first of all, let me say thanks to you, Dr. Raksha Upadhyay, for organizing this wonderful FDB program on cybersecurity. In fact, I don't know, otherwise I would have given a lecture also. I would have also taken a chance because I work in the cybersecurity. I'm the professor, and of course, I have attended almost all the classes. Wonderful professors, and really great, especially yesterday 2-3 hands-on sessions. Those two professors are very, very excellent. Very nicely they have explained. And the last session today, the professor also really, I think Thoma is explained many of the things. And in fact, I'm feeling so that still few more we are missing. And I think so that in the next FDP will be many, many little bit certain things I cannot straight away tell them right now. Few things we are all missing because a very young faculty currently they are working in the research, especially the cyber security. They need to learn some more fundamentals because I saw the heading of this one as the elementary level FDP. When it is an elementary level FDP, there have to be few more topics have to be there. But overall, program was very excellent. Thank you, madam, and thanks.
Thank you so
to
much, sir. Thank you so much for your feedback. Yes, ma'am. Japna Anand. Yes, may I call to Miss Mosmi Verma?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, all.
Yeah.
Mosmi.
Network, there is some network problem. Is there? Seems to be.
Hello.
Right, madam. Thank you. Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. There's some network problem.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Speak loudly.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Good afternoon to all of you who are presenting in this session.
First, introduce yourself, madam.
Yes, ma'am. This is Mosmi Verma. I'm assistant professor at Vaishnav Vidyapit Vishwavidyalaya, Indore. And as far as if I talk about this particular workshop, then really this workshop gave me a clear picture about the challenges which are related with the cyber security. Means I was not, though I have heard about this topic and I have heard from others and read something about that, but particularly after attending this workshop, I really got to know much more about this cybersecurity and also the challenges which are related with this particular titled workshop, and also the solution for the same, and got to know more about the introduction of the ethical hacking. Earlier, I have only heard the name of these terms like footprinting, system hacking, and all, which I was not very familiar, ma'am. And after having the knowledge, now we know how we are able to protect our system against the vulnerable hackers, right? So particularly the practical hands-on sessions, those were very interesting, and all the experts, those experts who delivered their lectures, they were very knowledgeable and experienced, and they've also explained each and every topic with the combination of theory and practical as well in a very great manner. So it was a nice experience for me, and definitely I gained a lot of information regarding this cybersecurity. So last but not the least, I would like to extend my thanks to Raksha Upadhyay ma'am and her team as well. They've organized very well workshop, and ma'am, it was a real pleasure to attend this workshop. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you all.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Utkarsh Kumar Srivastav, sir.
यस मैम, नमस्कार. मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ सर, आ रही है आपकी आवाज.
या धन्यवाद मैम. सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको, कोऑर्डिनेटर मैडम को और सभी स्टाफ को धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करना चाहता हूं. मैं उत्कर्ष कुमार श्रीवास्तव, लेक्चरर कंप्यूटर साइंस, and right now working as a principal Government Polytechnic College बड़वानी, मध्य प्रदेश। ये जो मैम टॉपिक मैंने अटेंड किया था, इसके पीछे एक उद्देश्य ये था कि वर्तमान में सारा का जो भी हमारी एजुकेशन चल रही है ये ऑनलाइन मोड में चल रही है, और हम सभी लोग मोबाइल के थ्रू और कंप्यूटर्स के थ्रू, लैपटॉप्स के थ्रू ही क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं, वो अपना जो भी डे टू डे वर्क है वो परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं। और इस काम के दौरान हमको साइबर अटैक्स के बारे में जो जानकारी चाहिए होती है वो कई बार हमको पता नहीं होती है। लाइक अभी बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो रिमोट एरिया में हैं, जैसे हमारा इंस्टीट्यूट रिमोट एरिया में आता है, तो ये कई बार अपने मोबाइल्स, अपने लैपटॉप्स किसी के भी हाथ में दे देते हैं और ये समझ नहीं पाते हैं कि कितना इंपॉर्टेंट डेटा इनके हाथ से चला गया है, स्लिप आउट हो गया है। सो लाइक ये जो साइबर सिक्योरिटी पे आपका जो वर्कशॉप हुआ, ये अटेंड करने का मेरा एक उद्देश्य यही था कि मैं थोड़ा सा जो भी लेटेस्ट थ्रेट्स हैं, जो हमारे साइबर क्राइम्स हैं, इनके विषय में मुझे जानकारी मिले। तो आपके इस 5 दिनी वर्कशॉप में इन बिटवीन आपसे एक चीज़ और मैं शेयर करना चाहूँगा कि अभी 25 और 26 तारीख को जो वैक्सीनेशन महाअभियान चला, मेरी इसमें भी ड्यूटी लगी हुई थी और मैं रिमोट एरिया में मोबाइल के थ्रू कहीं पहाड़ पे चढ़ के मैं एक्सेस कर रहा था और लगातार अटेंड करता जा रहा था सेशंस। मैंने पूरी कोशिश की कि सारी चीज़ें मैं एक्सेस कर सकूं और जब अपने माध्यम से फिर अपने स्टाफ और अपने विद्यार्थियों को भी दे सकूं। तो मैं आप सभी लोगों का हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं कि आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे समय पर बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक उठाया, हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छे से सारी जानकारी आपने प्रदान की। इस मीडियम में कई बार थोड़ा सा एक 1-to-1 सेशन का जरूर थोड़ा सा मुझे लगा कि 1-2 सेशन 1-to-1 होना चाहिए थे, जिसमें हम कुछ अपने क्वेरीज डायरेक्ट फेस टू फेस इंटरेक्ट कर पाते, लेकिन चूंकि शेड्यूल बहुत टाइट था इस वजह से ये चीज़ रही है। बट ओवरऑल आपका ये प्रोग्राम बहुत बढ़िया था और फ्यूचर में आईआईटी जो भी कोई प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज करेगी तो मैं निश्चित रूप से उसका हिस्सा बनना चाहूँगा। और आप सभी के लिए, आप सभी का और यूनिवर्सिटी के डायरेक्टर साहब का मेरी ओर से और मेरी संस्था की ओर से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत आभार। नमस्कार।
धन्यवाद सर, बिल्कुल धन्यवाद। ये रिमोट एरियाज में जो आपके जैसे इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, उन्हीं के लिए ये जो ऑनलाइन मोड है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल है। तो हम भविष्य में भी कामना करते हैं कि इस तरह के प्रोग्राम्स होते रहेंगे और आप लोग इसका फायदा जरूर उठाएंगे। नाउ मे आई कॉल टू संजय प्रसाद सर।
Good afternoon, everybody. Ma'am, it's a very wonderful and nice program. I'm from Jharkhand Government Tool Room, Ranchi, guest faculty. I'm from Jharkhand Government Tool Room, Ranchi. I'm a guest faculty over there. और मैं पिछले 20 साल से सिस्टम्स लाइन से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ और बहुत अच्छा लगा मैम ये प्रोग्राम। और इसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम होना चाहिए था, क्योंकि इतने शॉर्ट टाइम में इतनी सारी चीजें को कवर करना, उसको ग्रास्प करना, इट्स वेरी चैलेंजिंग जॉब। और मैम स्पेशली कल का सेशन जिसमें सर ने बता रखा था डिफरेंट टूल्स के बारे में, डिफरेंट साइट्स के बारे में, उनके यूजेस के बारे में। मैम ये साइबर सिक्योरिटी, साइबर वर्ल्ड इटसेल्फ इज अ वेरी वास्ट वर्ल्ड एंड वास्ट थिंग, और इतने सही तरीके से इतने कम समय में आप लोगों ने कवर किया मैम। इट्स अ वेरी गुड वंडरफुल जॉब एंड आई क्लैप फॉर ऑल योर टीम एंड यू आल्सो मैम। थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच। Yes, anybody is interested in feedback? Please switch on your camera so that I can take the snapshot
Ma'am.
with your yeah. Yes, Sangeeta.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Sangeeta Solanki, faculty in ENTC department of IIT DAV Indore. Our institute organized FDP program. First, I thank you, Vice Chancellor Dr. Renu Jain, and our Director Dr. Sanjeev Tokekar, and of course, Coordinator of Dr. Raksha Upadhyay, and co-coordinator of Mr. Tapesh Sarsodia, organized such wonderful and very informative FDP program on cyber security. I am really enjoying the program. From this FDP, I learned a lot of things such as cryptography, web security, cyber security, and cyber financial fraud and physical layer security. I especially thank you to Raksha ma'am. Ma'am, your session has been very informative for research aspect because I'm one of the research scholar under the guidance of ma'am. So this session is very helpful for me. I thank you, Dr. P.D. Vyavare, sir. Sir, your presentation has been very nice and you have covered the introduction about to cryptography and prospective secret security. From this FDP program, all the sessions have been very nice and given the information about how to secure our data. Finally, I hope my colleagues and participants are enjoying and learn a lot of things from this FDP. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Sangeeta. Anyone more is interested in giving the views about this FDP?
I'll say only one thing, a big apologies to the madam for conducting successfully the FDP program.
Thank you, sir.
Please, because she deserves that. She is organized. Okay? She deserves that.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
No, welcome.
Now, may
You know
I
the
call?
difficulties.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. One, I can share one difficulty, not the difficulty, but one immediate change I had to do in the program when one of the speaker could not take the lecture due to the fever. So I have to immediately make the arrangement for alternative, and I did it. And I hope that you all would have enjoyed that session of Mr. Ajinki also. Now, may I call upon to Dr. Prakash Vyavare. He is an eminent speaker, patron, and foremost, most sincere participant of this FDP, I think. So, sir, please give your feedback for this FDP.
Okay, thank you very much for this invitation. Before things, I think one thing is we can have a group photo. Can you take the group photograph, madam? If all people.
Sir, I have taken. Sir, I have taken the snaps. I have taken the snaps.
No, I think then your photo might not have come. So maybe your student can take that. Oh. Yeah, and Sangeeta.
No, sir, I am also coming.
अच्छा,
I am capturing from my mobile.
आपका चेहरा थोड़ा कट रहा है, तो थोड़ा सा या तो हाँ राइट करेक्ट, या थोड़ी आप पीछे हो जाइए आइदर वे. I think now Sangeeta can take one step. The second thing is I had an excitement. I was looking through the names of the people who are attending it. Who is this Recon Tomem? I mean, there is somebody who knows French. RECKO and Recon Tomem. Who is Recon Tomem?
Sir, आपका कैमरा ऑन कीजिए प्लीज. सर, आप कैमरा ऑन कीजिए.
Sorry. I am very sorry. So who is this Recon Tomem? One somebody knows French. RECKON. पता नहीं. चलो ठीक है. And second thing, I think Shriman Narayan sir is already teaching cryptography in his college. Is that right, sir? You are teaching cryptography?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. So that's why you said. Okay, so next probably you will be the coordinator and we will attend that from Indore. I mean, so you can also submit proposal, and Atal Academy is always interested. So you are from which college, sir? From where? श्रीमान नारायण साहब आप कहाँ से हैं? Which college?
I am actually previously I worked in VIT Vellore. Sir, previously I worked at VIT Vellore for 24 years Currently, I am at Hyderabad, Senior Institute of Science and Technology, as the Director for Academic and Applied Research. I am the Department of Information Technology.
Okay, so let me start. My speech is short, but it has toward the end some advice. So as you know, my name is Prakash Yohare. Probably most of you also know that I am retired. I retired 3 years ago, so now I'm 68 years old and I'm settled in Indore. So IETDA is another sister concern of GSTI, and we are closely. इसके लिए हम आ रहा है. I think somebody's mic is up. आप श्रीमान नारायण साहब आपका बंद कर दीजिए शायद. रक्षा मेरे ख्याल से आपको बंद. Okay, please mute it. Okay. So Dr. Raksha Upadhyay, who is the coordinator of this FDB function, tonight you can sleep well, because I know what type of tension it happens when you have to coordinate function, and you have to, the technology is also a boom. A technology also brings a tension many number of times when these things happen. So Raksha Upadhyay, along with her enthusiastic team, I mean, one can always see the name of Ankit Soni, Sangeeta Solanki, Tapesh Sordia, and other people. And there must be a few more people who are behind the scene. Of course, we know two persons, Dr. Renu Jain and Professor Tokekar, but both of them are extremely busy. So let me congratulate you for very successfully conducting it, although as you said, the approval come little bit late, so probably you had to hurry many things in contacting the speakers, making the flyer, talking to them. But the fact that 200 people registered at a very short span of time shows that this topic is very relevant, which means cyber security is very relevant. And I was speaking initially, so I shall speak about the same thing again. But as now most of the people know, the speakers are very well experienced, and each one have made more than 100 slides. And since we are all faculty, we know making 100 slides, 120 slides in a very consistent way is many hour job. It doesn't happen overnight. You cannot make 100 slides at one night. And it must be months of times of people and experience and confidence with which they speak. So I congratulate all speakers in absentia, and also since I have benefited from their talk, I wish to thank that they are all my teachers in this particular case. Now the second part essentially is that their job is done. The speakers have done the job, the coordinator has done the job, the volunteer has done the job. Now what is the next thing? The next thing essentially onus is now on those who have attended. And therefore, the first thing probably most of the people might have been thinking, I think by this time, is to start a course on cyber security in their colleges, whether it is Polytechnic college, whether it is a degree college, whether it is postgraduate college. I think this is the first step. I mean, one should think about if there is a course, it can be enhanced. If it is not a course, then one should start, because whatever Atal does, its aim is not only to train us. I mean, we are only intermediary between the two, but the knowledge has to be passed on to the students. So I think the success will already, now the success of complete FDP lies onto the participants who are attending it. They have to, I hope they will give some projects, they will develop some lab experiments, they will develop some theory topics onto this thing. Because who created this data world or cyber world? We the electronics engineers. We started creating voice digitization, picture digitization, video digitization. We in fact addicted people to the cyber world in one way or the other, we should say, because the Gmail is free, because the WhatsApp is free, so people are addicted. But then it also becomes our job to protect their data. They cannot go somebody else and say, now protect our data. They will say, you created these types of digitization, you created everything cheap, now we are used to it, and therefore you should only protect it. Which means now, as an academician, we cannot protect, but the only way we can do is we train the students, and the students ultimately will go and protect. The second is also we ourselves should have good habits of this. I mean, as many times other people have said, and the first day I wanted to tell Uma, I think I also told her. But now one thing is very well known from this course, and the well known thing in philosophical is a known ugly devil in physical world is much better than a beautiful looking angel into the cyber world. Because what you see into the cyber world is not the true picture. What is being projected by your camera, what is being recorded onto a voice is something. So a physical world devil is at least known to you, but virtual world something. And as somebody was saying, if somebody is giving an app for you to download, He has already invested 50 lakhs rupees of hardware. He has already given 5 lakhs rupees of software into that. Now, why somebody will give 55 lakhs rupees of worth of his things which he has developed to you as a social worker? If I go from Hindor to Devas and the fare is 30 rupees, and I tell that person, no, my younger brother is there, the brother is ill, I want to go, so take 20 rupees. Even the bus fellow will not give me a concession of 10 rupees on a humanitarian ground. So if a known bus fellow doesn't give me 10 rupees discount, I have very reasons to believe if somebody is investing 55 lakhs and says download this app, one way or the other, the app developer has interest, some interest, one way or the other. And as I said, at least the Google and WhatsApp have told what their interests are. They are basically for artificial machine learning. They want large number of photographs of people or cat or dogs or cars or homes or fan or something. From where will they get millions of, they have to spend millions of dollars. So the one way is win-win situation is we give them that information, and Google of course earns from advertisement. So whatever personalized advertisement comes from that. So in some sense it develops, but we should know no lunch is a free lunch, and therefore, but we must know from wherever we are eating, at least we should know that, what is the source from where we are eating. So tomorrow we are ill, we should know what was the source from where we have bought the food. And in the virtual world, everything is unknown, and therefore we should be careful for it. The second thing is, I think the Cryptology Research Society of India has played a very big role in popularizing cryptology in this country, and its head office is in Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta. And I think those who are interested or teaching this subject or intend to do something should become member of Cryptology Research Society of Society of India. Its membership is 1,000 rupees for lifetime. So once one becomes member, one can know about IndoCrypt activity or National Institution workshop on cryptology and other things, and then one gets into that type of community. As I was saying, okay, about teacher, as I said, now the responsibility is on the teacher. So teacher is called as the third parent of the child. And whenever somebody is sort of, as we are also parent, we are teacher. So whenever we take our child into the first, for the kindergarten or first or college or something, we always meet teacher and say, take care of him, because I want him to learn something which I do not know. So which means the parents give large amount of faith onto the teacher right from the kindergarten, that the welfare of the child lies in the protection and development from the teacher themselves. So now it is our responsibility. If we put our children to some teacher's hand and expect that he or she should develop him, it is for us, it is our responsibility that we are the third parent for the children who are studying in our college. So many times I say, if my daughter is doing good, it's not only because me and my wife, but it is the credit of all the teachers, 100 teachers who have taught her. And the same way, we sort of have to take a bigger panoramic view that the whole society depends on teachers, and teachers have a higher amount of responsibility, not only as a third parent. So if some student is good, we feel very happy in that sense, but teacher also have another responsibility to sort of tell him about what the good world is. And teachers have larger responsibility than the judges. Look at the judge. If there is something happens, you go to the session court, and then you are not happy, you go to the high court, and you are not happy into the high court, you go to the double bench. If you are not happy into the double bench, you go to the Supreme Court, you go to you go to 10 number of places. But teacher gives marks to a student, teacher teaches something into the class student, and then if the student is not very happy or with the marks or something, where he goes to the same teacher. So he goes to the same judge. And if the judge says second time, I will not do anything, he has to remain there. So in fact, for us, we have to remember that we have larger responsibility than the judges, because there is no notion of appeal or much, and then the student will come back to us again and again. Now, having said this, the last thing, as I said, apart from starting this course, so teaching theory and lab and to this type of thing, setting practicals or those type of things, is we should also check the best practices. Like they said, check whether your HTTP site is HTTP or HTTPS. So I think the first thing that everybody can do is look at their own website, and if it is instead of HTTP, instead of HTTPS with the lock, as we can see in the Google Meet right at the side, a lock being at that particular. If it is not there, we should sort of tell our own administrator that our site should be put instead of HTTP to HTTPS. Making website is not a very great job today. Rotating website is almost impossible. As each one of them is saying, no security system is perfectly secure. So we have to make it so strong and tough that the cost of breaking it will be higher than the cost of the worth that the person will get from that. And therefore, we are into a vulnerable world, not only as an individual person, but into an institution into this. And the last thing is, now this networking of people has happened here. I think the second success comes up with that people remain connected with each other. And in that sense, I expect that maybe Dr. Raksha Upadhyay, based on all these feedback, will have another FDP next year, based on the feedback. And whatever topics could not be covered or whosoever speakers couldn't come, will do into this. So once it happens annual, once it is institutionalized, then only it happens as a culture. So we make Diwali, Dashera, Raksha Bandhan, all sorts of things. Why do we do it annually? I know my sister knows me. She knows I love her. I know she loves me. Why we meet every year? Because only by reinforcement that the knowledge goes. It happens because of repetition. And I think most of the success at variety of places happen because people remain concentrated, people remain focused, and they begin, and then they remain at that particular thing. As I was saying, Shannon worked for 10 years onto that paper and everything. So I think this is the beginning, and I hope that next year again some FDP will happen. And if somebody else also does FDP, probably some of us will participate there. So if Sriman Narayan Saab does another FDP there, probably Raksha Upadhyay and me and all will come there as a participant. And third time somebody else wants to do into that, probably we can suggest the name of the speaker. I mean, Sriman Narayan himself wanted to talk, as he said. So I think when this happens, then only a vertical addition happens. I mean, otherwise we become jack of many trades. But anyway, most of the successful people are master of one, but they are also jack of many other things. So, I mean, as I said, this is an interdisciplinary field. There are mathematicians, computer science, hardware engineers, system administrators, and all those people. I think this teamwork development only will make, because the systems are so complex that no single person can claim that he knows everything related to cyber security. So I hope these are the 2 or 3 takeaways. Introduce some course theory lab at your place in each one of the institutions, then success happens. Treat your students as you would like your children to be treated by their teachers. And this is a very simple phenomenon. We will know how to. If I want my child not to be treated in this way, it means then I should not treat the same way to my student. I mean, then I'm doing a very myopic view of success or failure of the next generation, because we are responsible for next generation. Atal things can do every limited number of things. They can give money, they can make structure, they can help it, but final delivery to this young person happens in the classroom, and we know we are the chief of that classroom. I hope I have spoken more than what I should have spoken, but I took an advantage of my old age. I should have also took an advantage that, you know, I am the last speaker of the system, so there won't be any other feedback. And so let us remain connected. Let us make a group. Let us discuss something. And after 1 year, let us share some stories. Somebody says he has introduced 3 lab practicals. Somebody says he has given some project. Somebody says his PhD student, maybe Raksha Upadhyay student will be doctor by that time, Ankit. And let us develop a community feeling. And as I say, it's the annual ritual because of which the reinforcement happens into this thing. And I enjoyed it, of course, very much at the cost of other people who worked very hard. So thank you once again for giving this opportunity, Dr. Raksha Upadhyay, and congratulate you. And I think now you are free to at least have some peaceful time with your family members. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivational and kind words. On behalf of IET DAVV and on behalf of AICT, once again, I would like to, at the last, I would like to thanks to all the participants for their patient learning and listening. Again and again, I was reiterating that let's enjoy, let's learn and enjoy. So by keeping this space, as sir has also told, if possible, again, we will meet next year also. And so from me, namaskar to everyone and Jai Hind.
संजय प्रसाद जी कभी बड़वानी आए तो आपसे मिलेंगे जरूर, पास में है इंदौर के.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you to everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Thank you all. Bye.
Bye.
Sir, I am from Jharkhand, Ranchi.
अच्छा, नहीं वो बड़वानी से कौन थे? बड़वानी के प्रिंसिपल साहब थे ना कोई?
हाँ, उत्कर्ष, Mr. उत्कर्ष कुमार श्रीवास्तव, he is from बड़वानी.
अच्छा, हाँ, अच्छा है, प्रिंसिपल साहब ने अटेंड किया, अच्छा है. Okay, Raksha madam, thank you very much and congratulations once again.
Thank you so much, sir. You too.
Okay. Right. It's a mutual. It's a mutual pleasure.
सही बात है सर. It's mutual.
नहीं अच्छा रहा, पर आपकी टीम बहुत अच्छी है. आपकी टीम में और कौन थे जिनके नाम नहीं ले पाए हम लोग?
सर एक तो उमा मैडम का भी बहुत सपोर्ट रहा. She has left
अच्छा,
now.
उमा
I
मैडम है
think.
क्या? उमा मैडम, थैंक यू.
नहीं अभी थी. She has just left.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Actually, she has already done in July.
हाँ.
She has done one FDP in July.
अच्छा.
So she had the experience. So she shared what to do's and don'ts. So that was the very big thing to organize this FDP.
हाँ.
Do's and don'ts we already because of her.
जरूरी है ना. ये 200 लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया, बता ये किया था, रजिस्टर किया था ना?
हाँ सर 200 लोगों ने रजिस्टर किया था, पर एट अ टाइम सर 100 के करीब रहते थे रजिस्टर्ड.
हाँ 100-110 रहते थे, मैंने देखा पहले दिन में 100-110 तो थे. नहीं अच्छा
सर वो
आज मैंने
अटेंडेंस का भी एनालिसिस.
अच्छा.
अटेंडेंस का एनालिसिस सर करेंगे हम भी. उसको हर दिन का हमने ले लिया है गूगल फॉर्म पे अटेंडेंस तीनों
ये
सेशन
श्रीवास्तव सर आ गए हैं. आपने नाम लिया ना उत्कर्ष श्रीवास्तव सर का.